presenting the Ford 2019 Escape Titanium. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, 2.0L EcoBoost Class 2 trailer tow package, equipment group 400A, Ford Safe and Smart Titanium Plus package, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, AM/FM stereo with MP3 capable and Sync 3 communications and entertainment system. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.